It's estimated that individuals in the US suffer 1 billion colds each year. Well, family physician Dr. Leslie Gonzalez joins us today to help you get prepared for cold, cough, and flu season, from what to have in your medicine cabinet to tips on how to stay healthy this winter. Good morning, Dr. Gonzalez.
Good morning.
So, cold, cough, and flu season is upon us, and we know children get sick easily and often. What can we do to get ahead of this?
So one thing you can do to support your immune system is by taking vitamins and improving your child's bedtime routine. To help the little ones transition to bedtime, I recommend solutions with effective and wholesome ingredients like calming chamomile and natural honey, which can be found in Zarbee's Children's Gentle Bedtime products. What's great is they come in multiple formats like a melatonin-free gummy and a syrup. Zarbee's also offers a calming, gentle bedtime room spray with lavender and chamomile, which helps kids relax and unwind as they prepare for bedtime.
Now, sometimes despite our best efforts, our kids still get sick. What are some other tips you recommend?
First and foremost, you should always talk to your doctor. One of my favorite hacks that I like to recommend if your child is experiencing a cough is to turn your bathroom into a steam room, since warm, moist air can help clear nasal pathways and even relieve discomfort. If your child is experiencing a fever, the good news is there are a lot of different ways to treat it. First, you can use a cold compress to cool their body, but remember to give them a lot of fluids to avoid dehydration. Then, there are two key ingredients that can reduce a fever: acetaminophen and ibuprofen. Acetaminophen can be found in medicines like children's Tylenol or infant's Tylenol. These products start to reduce a fever in as little as 15 minutes. Ask a doctor before using infant's Tylenol if your child is under 2 years of age. And what's helpful is that these medicines come in various formats, from liquids and flavors like grape, cherry, or bubblegum to dissolved packs or even chewables. Ibuprofen can be found in children's and infants' Motrin. In addition to reducing a fever, children's Motrin can relieve minor aches and pains, and it lasts up to 8 hours. Always make sure you read and follow product label before use for important product information.
Now, how about adults? What about when we get sick?
Well, when we get sick, just like kids, if you're experiencing a fever, consider acetaminophen or ibuprofen. For fast pain relief, I like to recommend Tylenol rapid release gels, which contain acetaminophen.
And what about when you're experiencing a runny nose or sneezing?
Sometimes we aren't quite sure if a runny nose and sneezing is from a cold or allergies. Allergy symptoms usually flare up when you're exposed to allergens that you're most sensitive to and cause symptoms such as itchy eyes, nose, or throat. Make sure to pay attention to when you experience these symptoms so you can identify the allergens that bother you. With a cold, people technically experience a wet cough and potentially run a fever. It's important to note that allergies don't cause fevers, so that's the main difference to look for. The good news is the ingredient diphenhydramine can relieve a runny nose or sneezing, whether from allergies or the common cold. This effective allergy and cold relief can be found in Benadryl Allergy Ultra Tabs, which are effective day or night. Also, look for a decongestant like pseudoephedrine that targets sinus pressure and congestion. This can be found in products like Zyrtec D and Sudafed Sinus Congestion. You can find them behind your local pharmacy counter.
These are all so helpful. Where can we go for more information, Doctor?
For more information on ingredients, dosing, and tips to make the most of your health, you can go to healthinhand.org.
Thank you, Dr. Gonzalez. For more information, head to healthinhand.org.